morning all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnanmanji Vidyapeeth, Shala 3rd. So students, today we'll start 4-digit number. How to compare 4-digit number in unit number first. So let's see one video regarding that.
How to compare 4-digit numbers. It is an exciting day for Sana. Her mother is buying her a new bicycle. At one of the stores, Sana finds two very similar bicycles, but both are being sold at different prices. Which bicycle should Sana buy? Yes, the one that is cheaper. But how will Sana know which one is cheaper? Let's help her compare the prices. One bicycle costs 3,450 rupees and the other costs 4,353 rupees. To compare the prices, we need to know how many digits each number has. Then, we will write these digits in the place value table. How many columns should we draw in the place value table? Correct. Since we are comparing 4-digit numbers, we will draw 4 columns, namely ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, let's fill in the place value table with the given numbers. After filling in the table, we will draw blocks for each digit. Let's take the number 3,450 and start with the digit 3. Since 3 is in the thousands place, we will draw 3 blocks. Similarly, we will draw 4 hundreds blocks, 5 tens blocks, and no block for the digit 0. Repeat this for the digits in the number 4,353. Now, let's start comparing the two numbers digit by digit. First, we will compare the digits in the thousands place. There are 3 thousands in the number 3,450, 4 thousands in the number 4,353. The smallest digit in the thousands place belongs to the smallest number. So, as 3 is smaller than 4, we can say that the number 3,450 is smaller than the number 4,353. So, let's tell Sana that we have found the cheaper bicycle. Just when Sana was about to buy the bicycle, the shopkeeper showed her another bicycle. The cost of this bicycle was 3,405 rupees. What should we do now? Yes, we will compare the prices again. First, we will create the place value table. Then, we will write the numbers in the table as done earlier. Next, we will compare the digits in the thousands place. We can see that the digits are the same. So, we will move to the hundreds place and compare the digits. Uh-oh, the digits are the same again. What should we do now? Yes, we will move to the tens place and continue the comparison. Here, the two digits are 5 and 0. We know that 5 tens are more than 0 tens. So, we have found the smaller number again. It is 3,405. Finally, we have helped Sana find the cheapest bicycle. Now, what if the digits in all the places were the same? In that case, the two numbers would have been equal. That's all for this video. Happy learning!
We'll start worksheet number 15. In that worksheet, we have to start the 4-digit number comparison. So students, for comparing 4-digit number, so first of all here is a different digits. count the numbers of the digits and more digit bigger number. So now look at this. For example, here is a 3456, 321 is there. So we have to look at this. 3-digit number is there and 4-digit number is there. So 3456 greater than 321. Okay, then both are 4-digit number. Now look at this. Check out the 1000 digit. Now 3456 is there and 4321 is there. So both the digits are the 4-digit number is there. So we have to check the 1000-digit number is there. 3 and 4. 3 is the less than 4. 3 is less than 4 is there. So here we have to write 3456 less than 4321. Then 1000 digit same. Check now look at this. 3456, 3321, but the 1000 digits are same. 3 and 3 is there. So we'll check another place value. That one is 100. There is a 4 and 3 is there. Bigger 100 digit number. So bigger number 3 and 4 is 4 and 3 is there. So we have to write 4 greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. So here we have to write 3456 greater than 3321 is there. Okay, then 1000 and 100 digits are same. Now 3456, 3421. So thousands, hundreds same. Thousands and 100 place values are same. So we'll check another place value. That one is 100. 5 and 2 is there. So 5 is greater than 2. So here we have to write 3456 greater than 3421 is there. Got it? Then now look at this. 1110s, 3 digits are the same. 3456, 3451 is there. So in that now 1110 place values are both the side place values are same is there. So what we have to do, we have to check another one. That one is a 6 and 1 is there. So 6 is the less than, 6 is the greater than 1. So we have to write here 3456 greater than 3451 is there. Got it? And in the last, all the digits are same. When all the digits are same, now look at this. 3456, 3456. That means all the digits are same. That means now see, once 1000 digits are same, 10,000 digits, 100 digits are there, 10 digits are same, and 1's digits are same. All the digits are same. So we have to write here 3456 equal to 3456 is there. Now look at this everyone. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 16. 4-digit number comparison less than, greater than and equal to. So in that, first one number is the 1235 and 310 is there. So first of all we have to expand the number. That numbers 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000 is there. We have to write 1230, 35, 310 is there. So here we have to write 1235 greater than 312. This one sign is the greater than. Okay. Then 500, 5000, 5,561 and 7,212. So we have to write 5,000. First of all, we have to expand that number. 1 we have to write in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, the 5 is in the hundred place, and the 5 is in the thousand place. We have to put that digit in that place value digit 7,212, so that 5,561 less than 7,212, then 4,221 and 1,242. So in that we have to write here 4,271, 1,242. 4,271 greater than 1,242, then 1,621 and 1,626. So we have to write here 1,621 less than 1,626 is there. Now look at this, students, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Next question is a circle the bigger number out of the 2 digit 2. Okay, so 1,322 and 2,190. So bigger number is a 2,190. We have to circle here. Then 1,211, 1,090. So we have to circle here 1,211, 3,452 and 3,121. So bigger number is a 3,452 is there. Then next one is a 7,281 and 2,457. So bigger number is a 7,281. We have to make the circle there. 8,302 and the 5,640. Bigger number is 8,302. We have to circle the here. Then next number is the circle the smallest number out of the 2 digit 2,411 and 4,104. Smallest number is a 2,411, 1,321 and the 1,693. Smallest digit number is a 1,324, 5,623 and 5,732. Smallest digit number is a 5,623, 1,963 and 1,907. Smallest digit number is a 1,907, 2,262 and the 2,264. Smallest digit number is a 2,262. Now students, you have to look at this and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 17, 4-digit number comparison. So in that, identify which numbers are the greater using the less than, greater than or equal to. So look at here students, first one is 9,245 greater than 526, 5,461 less than 6,212. Then next number is 6,271 greater than 6,242, 5,510 less than 7,515, 8,945 greater than 8,745. Then next number is a 4,235 less than greater than less than 6,010. Now students, look at this first, A to I, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. You have to write this in your worksheet number next 17. Okay students, now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 14, 15 and 15, 16 and 17 and send it to me that worksheet in your in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. You have to complete your work and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.